Hello everyone, sometime when you create your videos in OBS, you want your video to be enclosed in a circle or a square or a rectangle. Now for that purpose, you can use the PowerPoint or any other software in which you create images. I will use PowerPoint because it is the simplest one. What all you need to do is to have a new slide. I will create a slide just to delete everything on the slide and insert the shape you want for your video. For example, I like this square shape with circular edges. Now in order to have the same size, you can have 7 over here in the width and 7 in the height. So this is a perfect square. Now the next thing you need to do is to have to fill the shape with a white color. Here it is. And the last step to that you need is to save the file. So I go to File and click on Save As and click on the Browse. Now here is the main trick, and that is you need to select the file type, Save As PNG. So here is the where is PNG? Here it is. Let me name it as square, for example. It is already there. Save. Since I already have this file, I will replace it. Now it is asking which slides do you want to export. I just want this slide, so I will say just this one. So when you save it and go to the Explorer, you will see the file over here, that is the square. Now this is the file. If I go to my OBS Studio, let me put it here on the screen, and I have the video capture device which is on. I will turn it on. I'll go to the filters, and this is the video capture device. Here is the video. I'll go to the let me just reduce its size. Sorry. Here is the video. Now I want to enclose it in that square I selected. I right click and click on filters, and if you see over here, here are the effect filters. Click on it and select the image mask. Image mask / blend. Okay. Now if you see over here, here is the path. Go to the browse and select the file you just created. Here is the file that I created. This is the square file. Now you see your image is now enclosed in the bracket with circular edges. And here you select the alpha mask color channel. You don't need to change it. Let me fix it to according to my needs. You can put it anywhere on the screen. So this is how you can have your image, your video, sorry, in a square. Thank you very much.